Now, it's a great pleasure to introduce our next act tonight, not only because she's a superstar, but also because we finally get to see if Randy Jackson is any good on the bass. Singing Fly Like a Bird, Mariah Carey.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust him.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above where no more hurt and suffering. Free of all the trust, chase and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love. The one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high. Don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me
He said he'll never forsake you or leave you alone. Trust him.
Right here by my side. Keep your head up to the sky. With my love, you'll take to the sky. I need your love, oh Lord. Don't let the world break me tonight, tonight, tonight. I pray you'll come. I pray you'll come and take me Thank you so much. Keep donating. Please call and donate now. God bless you. Thank you so much. Randy Jackson on the bass, ladies and gentlemen.